How to prove a nerve damage injury in a personal injury case. Hello and welcome. If you or a loved one has suffered a nerve damage injury due to an accident, proving your case can be challenging. Nerve damage is often invisible and difficult to diagnose, making it essential to have the right medical evidence and legal strategy. In this video, we will explain everything you need to know about proving a nerve damage injury in a personal injury case. Nerve damage can happen in many ways, including car accident, workplace injuries, slip and fall, medical malpractice, and defective product. Unlike cuts or broken bones, nerve damage is not always visible, but it can cause serious and long lasting problems. Symptoms may include numbness, weakness, tingliness, chronic pain, or even loss of movement. The first and the most important step is seeking medical attention. If you suspect you have nerve damage, do not wait to see a doctor. Earlier diagnosis and treatment can help prevent the condition from getting worse. A medical professional will examine your symptoms and may refer you to a neurologist for further testing. The sooner you get medical help, the stronger your case will be. Medical evidence is the key to proving nerve damage. Doctors use several tests to diagnose this condition, including MRI scans, CT scan, nerve condition studies, and electromyography. These tests measure nerve function and can show if there is any damage. If your doctor confirms that your injury is related to the accident, their medical reports can be crucial in your case. In addition to medical tests, keep detailed record of your symptoms. Writing down when you feel pain, numbness, or weakness. Describe how the injury affects your daily life, such as difficulty working, sleeping, or performing simple tasks. If you take medication or undergo physical therapy, record how it helps or does not help. These personal records will support your claim by showing on ongoing impact of the injury. Another important step is collecting evidence of the accident that caused your injury. If you were in a car accident, get a copy of the police report. If you slip and fall, take picture of the hazardous condition that lead to your injury. If there were witnesses, ask them to provide a written statement. The more evidence you have linking the accident to your nerve damage, the stronger your case will be. Once you have medical records and evidence of the accident, consult a personal injury lawyer. Nerve damage case can be complex and insurance companies often try to downplay the injury. A lawyer will help gather expert testimony, from medical professional, present evidence, and negotiate to fair compensation. Many personal injury lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, meaning you don't have to pay unless you win your case. Your lawyer will help you file a claim against the responsible party. This claim will include medical records, accident reports, witness statement, and expert opinion. The insurance company B respond with a settlement offer, but this initial offer are often too low or very low. Your lawyer will negotiate to get you the full amount you deserve. If an agreement cannot be reached, your lawyer may be go to court. If your case goes to trial, your lawyer will present all the medical evidence, expert testimony, and personal record to prove that your nerve damage was caused by the accident. They will also show how the injury has affected your life, work, and overall well being. If the court rules in your favor, you may receive compensation for medical expenses, lost wage, pain and suffering, and further treatments. One important thing to keep in mind is the statute of limitation. This is the deadline for filing a personal injury claim. It varies by a state or country, so it is important to take action as soon as possible. If you wait too long, you may lose your right to seek compensation. Many people also wonder how long the process takes. The timeline depends on the severity of the injuries, the willingness of the insurance company to settle, and whether the case goes to court. Some claims are resolved in a few months, while others may take longer. To summarize it, proving a nerve damage injury in a personal injury case require a strong medical evidence, detailed symptoms record, accident document, and expert legal help. If you or a loved one is suffering from nerve damage due to an accident, take these steps. Seek medical attention immediately, get medical test to confirm the injury, document your symptoms and daily struggle, gather evidence of the accident, and consult a personal injury lawyer. File a claim and be prepared to negotiate or go to court if necessary. Nerve damage can be a life changing injury, but with the right approach, you can prove your case and get the compensation you need. Do not wait too long to take action. If you or someone you know is dealing with nerve damage from an accident, speak to a lawyer today and start the claiming process. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more legal tips and advice. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Stay safe and take care.